Go, stand up nice and tall. Are you skiing? Whee! Yay, Liam, you're skiing! Stand up tall. What does the skier say? Oh, there we go. Now you're standing up, just like that. Can you walk your feet? What do you think?